Yeah, yeah. Fucking a bitch with a pussy. All y'all boys is wussy. Yeah. Boy, lean in my car. Yeah, you know the shit be fucking fried. Damn, if I fucking died. Yeah, you know I'm bitch. Yeah, this shit ain't be my fucking time. I be spelling so much drain. Damn, I thought I flat line. Yeah, I'm on my grind. Yeah, I'm on my time. Yeah, I got a fucking crib out of the hills. Yeah, I'm gon' pop the fucking pills. Yeah, I be in water. Yeah, you think I got some gills. Yeah, but I know I got me like a couple kills. Yeah, I got me like a couple meals. Yeah, but bitch, you know I'm rich for. Bitch, you know going up in your love. Hell nah, you know on your love. I'ma go hit the ops with a big truck. Yeah, I don't really give a living fuck. Yeah, I'ma go potty boy like a fucking dog. Yeah, ain't fucking hunting season. I be like Bugs Bunny Kelly for no reason. Yeah, I be cooking up, yeah, with no season. It's like I got a little bit, yeah, it's fucking, yeah. Yeah, you know we fucking eating good. Yeah, you know I be slacking out in the hood. Yeah, I be texting to my sins, but know I'm good. Yeah, I be in the hood, but I'm still fucking ripped than a bitch. Yeah, I got diamonds and a rollie on my wrist. Yeah, these bitches say they really don't be knowing shit. They just know how to fucking suck dick and fucking spit on shit. Yeah, and they want my fucking money. Yeah, I be poor because of the kind of money. Yeah, I be up the top. Yeah, it's kind of sunny, but it's not even summertime. I'm money, but me fucking dummies. Yeah, ain't nothing to be fucking crabby. Yeah, I be working like a fucking money after money. Yeah, I got the money, but the back of life, let me out of it, let's show me. Yeah, they always all motherfucking something. All that money blood, yeah, with the motherfucking chopping. Fucking chopping and fan, kill you and your best friends. You need my best friend, yeah, so let me a big man. Yeah, I know bitch at the head, spin up by your blood, let's try, yeah, the effing man, yeah, the effing man, yeah, make you not safe, yeah. They be so good, they be fucking faggots. Yeah, they be faggots, taking all fucking records, yeah. You know what I'm saying, baby, but they get a half of you. They call me really good, all fucking savage, yeah. Yeah, you want, you know you can fucking record. Little boy, go get a life. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you with a fucking knife. Yeah, little bitch, I'm not so fucking nice. Well, if you got big titties, then you're not a wife.